sticker on?
Stick it on the paper.
You forgot? You already forgot. Ooh. Yeah. You almost got it. You almost
good
got
job.
it. Yeah, good job.
Yeah.
This one. Yeah. Good job. Here, have some more sticker. Some more sticker. Oh, you got a row of 6.
Come on, stick it on, Christian.
That's too many for you right now? Okay. I'll hold these for you. You plucked out one? Plucked out one? Oh, you plucked out all of them?
Stick it here.
Here, stick it in. Yay!
Good job, Christian.
Yeah. There's more. Oh, Christian! Oh, you gotta glue it. You gotta lick it to
It's
make
not
it stick
an
better.
old-fashioned stamp.
Here. Some more. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Ooh.
You're an artist, Christian. Oh, this is cute. You could ask them what they want to be, and it could be a sticker because it has all these different.
Oh,
things
Christian, which profession do you choose?
You want to be. Let me see. There's a doctor, a dentist, a golf pro, I guess, a baseball player,
Christian, you pick one
a
yourself.
cyclist, a basketball, soccer, tennis. I don't know what else. What else is there? Lazy bum. Oh, pharmacist.
Where's the lazy bum?
the palm trees. I thought these were flip flops. It could be a urban guy, a mechanic, I guess, a chef, a librarian, or maybe a scholar.
Okay, good sticker work, Christian.
Oh, yeah. You gotta put the other way.